This is part 3 of the information session. So who can learn in Compañeros? There are many kinds of students who are successful in our Compañeros program. Students who speak only English are successful in our program, and students who speak only Spanish are successful in our program. Parents do not need to know the other language. Helping them learn their second language is our job. The best way for monolingual parents to show support is to believe in their child, to refer to him or her as bilingual, and to look for ways to show the value of the other language. So who can learn in Compañeros? We have a lot of different kinds of students in our program who are successful in Compañeros. Some students speak only English, and some students speak only Spanish. Parents do not need to know the other language. Helping them learn their second language is our job. The best way for monolingual parents to show support is to believe in their child, refer to him or her as bilingual from the very beginning, and look for ways to show the value of the other language. In Compañeros, we also have students who are already bilingual. Oftentimes, children raised in bilingual homes can hold on to enough Spanish to understand Spanish, but in Compañeros, we help them hold on to their Spanish so that they're also able to speak it, to maintain relationships with Spanish-speaking relatives, to read, to write, and to learn academic language in both English and Spanish. We also have students who speak another language apart from English and apart from Spanish. In Compañeros, we have successful students who have a learning disability, and students who are successful, who are gifted. Compañeros is an inclusive program. We believe, based on recent research, that all students have the right and should have the opportunity to take advantage of the benefits bilingualism can provide. The teaching methods used in dual immersion also support students with learning disabilities. So what is it that they learn? Well, students in Compañeros learn the same standards as other Wyndham students, with the added benefit that they learn in 2 languages and they become bilingual. They use the same standards that define the grade level standards for students in Connecticut, in most other U.S. states, and even in Puerto Rico. Students learn to read is right from the start. Our reading program emphasizes engagement, research, comprehension, and skill development at individualized levels. In Compañeros, we teach students academic language. We have teachers who are speakers of Spanish from Puerto Rico, Mexico, Nicaragua, Spain, Colombia, Chile, and we have students whose Spanish reflects that spoken in Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. Students learn that depending on where you are from, there are different words for certain things. In Spanish, we teach them there are many words for bus, el camión, la guagua, el autobús, but that it is all the same language, and those who speak Spanish from different regions can communicate with each other. We also teach students about formal and informal language. Although science and social studies are primarily taught in one language each year, students have the opportunity to learn and use vocabulary in the other language during our bridge time and extension. Sometimes we're asked when a student will reach grade level. It really depends on many factors. It might depend on their first language development, how old they were when they started the program, their personality, motivation, reading at home. When students have a stronger language, they will often show grade level performance in that language first. We expect to see that around the end of second grade, but many are on grade level right from kindergarten. When we test them in their second language, they usually show us that they are performing on grade level after 5 to 7 years, although some show us that they're ready for that before. Because we have a variety of learners, results for individual learners vary. So in this section, you learned which students benefit from Compañeros, what they learn, and when you can expect your child to be on grade level. What was the most surprising thing you learned? Was it that families do not need to know both languages? Was it that students with learning disabilities can participate successfully in compañeros? Was it that students learn to read in both languages right from the beginning? Or was it that it is normal for students to take 5 to 7 years to be on grade level in both languages? Select your answer and click to watch the next video.